machine yesterday when I was doing juice. This machine it messed with me yesterday. Make I not go talk and finish. This machine messed with me yesterday. It stopped working. So right now, right back, I abandoned everything there yesterday night because I was so tired, exhausted, and all those stuff. To pull it out to start washing. I was so tired. Even the juice that I wanted to do, I did not even finish the juice last night. I did not finish making the juice. Look at, just imagine. It messed me up last night. When you think that it is over, that is when different kind of issues will start bringing out their self. Isn't it, guys? My fufu. My kitchen is messed up. So this is I want to boil my fufu that came from Nigeria. This is my last fufu that I have. This is the last fufu that I have. I'm going to cry for everybody because I don't have fufu anymore. So I will just put it on the fire to start boiling. Then I will take my time to wash those plates immediately. Wrap it. One, I'm going to use 2 sockets to wrap it. Two. Okay. I've used 2 sockets to wrap it. Then I will put it inside my water to just be cooking gradually.